Hey, this is the boat doctor. Listen. Quiet. Up at the lake. Nobody's here. Anyway, out here in 2016 Tracker 175 Pro V. Nice little boat. Got a 75 Merc on it. Runs really good. The VST job worked good. It's got a 17 pitch prop on it. It turns about 56, 5800, about 45 miles an hour. If it was me, I'd probably maybe put a 15 pitch on here. Everything in the boat works fine. Got his Humminbird Helix 7. They're good little units. If you want actual GPS lakes, it doesn't show a lot, but you ain't gonna use it in the bay, so it's probably fine. I got it set on down scan, side scan, and traditional. You just hit your few buttons and it goes through your menus. Good little unit. Okay, right now, if I hit, this is turned on. If I just hit this button, see how we're moving? And see that little arrow up on top? So if I want to steer it, I can see that move. So I want to go over there. See that dial? Now I'm going to go to the right. Makes it quiet. Listen. Wow. I want to go back. Make the dial go that way. That's on the end. 40 pounds of thrust. That's that. And you can unplug it right here if you want. Then you trim up this here. Trim that motor up. So if you get in the shallows, this seat is interchangeable to these pedestals. Then you got storage. I probably shut these up pretty good since I stood on them. There's your tonneau cover and your supports. Storage, you put your bow light there. You got storage there. Here's your live well. So over here you hit this one. That works. Hit this one. That one works. Nav lights worked. Horn works. Depth finder works. Speedometer, tack works. Fuel gauge works. Bilge pump works. Pretty clean little boat. A little scrape off, paint off the front there, but that's it. And then you go back into here. Got little bait boxes on each side. Gas fills there. Here's your fuel tank and 2 batteries. Battery charger. It actually turned out nice. It was supposed to rain real hard. So you flip that like that. Got my coffee cup. Then to raise it, you go like that. It raises real easy. You just bring it in like that. Bring it down to it clips. That easy. And then you got your handle, which is this. That just clips right on there to keep it as a lock. There. Then you also got this strap. It goes like this. You zip it over here. You tighten it up. Won't go nowhere. So now we'll give it the little run out. It's got 75 horse max. Hopefully my coffee cup doesn't go nowhere. Just turn the key, fuel injected. Starts right up, 12 volts, about 800. Actually about 700 idle, just under a half. Now about three seconds to plane. Planing speed's 20, 3,000. Trim it up. Cruising 4,000. Steers good, 30 miles an hour. now drop it down to about a 15 pitch, about 45 miles an hour. Runs good. I got something in my eye. Hope it ain't a fly in my eye. Hey, I'm a poet, and I know it. Then you just hit your power, shutting down, kicker back. That must be powering up a little bit. If you want to shut it off. I think you gotta wait for it to reboot. Good little boat. Yeah, I'm just trying to see why. Exit. Yeah, it must need to be reboot, which is okay. Unplug it. Wired hot. Need my coffee. Hello, Arctic Cup. And I think that should do her. Head back to the dock. Very quiet. Listen to this. Man, could you ask for any better? The best time to be out here is in the winter time. Listen, nothing. Boy, they're low-sided. Doesn't take much for a bumper to be out, that's for dang sure. So you can just go like this. And then just tie it. It's kind of hard to do it by yourself, but that's okay. Wrap it. Just like that. You just don't fall in. Could happen. You never know. Just wrap this baby right there. Let it drop. 2016 175 Super Tracker. Bass boat. Nice little boat. Go to a 15 pitch prop. Ciao for now.